Okay, so this is a new YouTube channel. This is the first sort of semi-tutorial. It's mostly about using Garden CAD Plus in relation to your landscaping as a end user and getting through it a bit quicker. Garden CAD's very good. I highly recommend it. I'm using it myself in my business, and yeah, I love it, and I can highly recommend it. So usually when you get Garden CAD first, you're going to have to learn how to use it. If you go to their website, Design CAD Plus or Garden CAD Plus, I think you'll have to type in. I think there might be another domain name with another name there, but just make sure you get to this one here, which is plus.designcad.com.au. So they've got a series of they've got a syllabus here with a series of modules you go through, and it'll teach you how to use the program. And as part of these modules, one of the first ones is, well, one of the early ones is backyard wetland, which we've got open here. So you can pretty much choose any one you want. Courtyard with wisteria arbor. And as you go through them, you can see that they've got these little videos. So I'd suggest reading this, then you've got to watch the videos. And this one's got a few videos. Yep, so there's quite a few videos there. And to get through it a little bit quicker, watching these videos, from the get-go, if you start going through the syllabus, is to get this video speed controller. So if you're using a Chrome browser, which is this little gold wheel there, I'm not sure if it's in Microsoft browser or whatever they call that now. It's basically a little add-in, little plug-in to Chrome where it allows you to speed up the videos in YouTube, and I think maybe Vimeo and a couple other websites have embedded videos. ASD, so that's your keyboard there. They're just some keyboard shortcuts to speed it up. Now, because it's quite a few video videos to watch, it's going to really speed up, reduce the amount of time you're spending watching videos. So we'll have a look at this one here. We've got this one open already.
For that blending area through there, so the offset runs. So we've got this mid.
So I've just got that at 1.7 before I started. I should have it slowed down there. So we'll just play it through a little bit at standard speed.
The edge here. At this stage, don't worry about the bit hanging over the driveway. An offset for the side would be 650.
And then if we were to speed that up to say 10% faster.
So distance 650, and pick this line here and offset, so that gets the horizontal.
We'll just go to 1.2.
And now the vertical line, we can offset this one through here. If we look at it there, in the original design it was 135.
So you can see already at 20% faster. You're just starting to notice it's a little bit quicker. We'll go up to 30%.
So I'd like to shrink that a little bit to give us a little wider lawn area there, so I'll go for a metre. So here's my object to offset. I want a metre.
40%.
As my distance, so 1,000 units, and I do that. It's going to give me a slightly wider entrance, I think.
So you can see it's still quite understandable and usable, even at 40% faster, these videos. So quite a few videos to watch, and if you look on Garden CAD Plus YouTube channel, you'll see there's lots of videos you can watch, and this will get you through them a lot quicker. Now above 40% faster, have a listen.
And we'll exit from there. It's probably time to clean up
50%.
So we'll modify and extend this line here through to that boundary, and that doesn't work because we have a polyline, so we need to break it up, explode it, so now we have a single line here, and we have a boundary that we can.
And that's 60%. It's still quite usable.
Extend to, so we pick it, and now we can extend that line.
70%.
We can now use the trim command, so modify and trim. This becomes the cutting edge. Let me zoom in a little. That's the cutting edge, and the bit to trim off is that one there.
80.
Again, this is a polyline, so let's, while we're at it, explode it and repeat the trim command with that, repeat the extend command. This is
90.
the boundary, and we can extend that part through there. So we've got pretty much our shape, although we need to work on this area through here. You might like to try the fillet command, modify fillet. And if we pick these two lines, you have to be a little careful about where you pick past the midpoint of the line, that's fine there, and then past the midpoint of this line, and we get a square trim in one action. You could do the same here, and trim, and there we have.
I probably wouldn't be going past 2 times, but just for a bit of fun, we'll speed it right up.
Our shape nicely defined. It does have to be edged in width with a 110 100 mm offset, so again we can go repeat the offset command, pick the object offset, and this will be key as we work around picking all of the lines far better to gather all those lines up, join them together now as a polyline, and then offset.
So you can still kind of understand it at 3 times, or 200% faster, but yeah, I don't think it's really, I think about 70% probably the max, and then 40% is kind of comfortable, and it's going to save you a bit of time. So that's my first tip for using Garden CAD right at the start, is download the speed controller from Chrome. Just Google it, and yeah, it's very handy for all tutorials. Doesn't matter what you're using, Photoshop tutorials or garden videos or landscaping documentaries or something like that. It's very handy.